This is the first ever Dwarf Blob launch. You ready, bud?
I'm so ready. Let's do this.
My goal is to send John to Mars because I feel like he could do some good like space research there.
There's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.